bluegill flavor, guys, but guess what I did? Switch to a Swimjig, something a little bit more subtle. When you have flat conditions like this, where it's subtle, water clarity is pretty clear, try something to tone it down. You don't always need to be vibrating and sometimes you need to tone it down to make it a little lifelike for the bass to hone in on. So sometimes they want something that's a little bit more subtle, that actually look, because bait fish don't make that's always good in like murkier water. Try stuff like this. Check that out. That's a Gambler's right there, and then that's a bluegill, 6 cents bluegill right there in the Swimjig. Awesome little pairing right there. That Gambler's work well, has a nice body roll right there, so that skirt flares out nice. It's a nice skirt on this 6 cents. I love their 6 cents Swimjigs. They're the best, guys. One of the best. I'm not gonna say the best, one of the best. But anyway, hit them with the Jimmy Hugh top drop. Hey, that's one. We'll chunk them up with this 6 cent Swimjig all day, guys. Check that one out. That Gambler's a little easy paired up. That 6 cent Swimjig is a nice subtle approach to jump on them, guys. It's perfect pairing, guys. That's like Jay-Z and Beyonce right there. That's that 6 cent Swimjig, and then that's that Gambler's little easy right there. Beautiful color too. It's bluegill pattern. Everything's bluegill. I'm gonna stick with what they want. What the hell going on here, child? Must. See what we got for the first go round. Let's see who'll guess it. We got a four pound even. A nice 4 pounder on the Swimjig. Hit him with the old Jimmy Hugh top drop. Let's go. Damn, guys, look at that. This is gonna be one where I have to get the net moment. It's a big one. It's a big one on this swim bait. Somebody's active. I can crush that. It's gotta be a horse, guys. Actually, look, it's a horse. A little bit of a horse. Let's see if the swim bait got him. Like that one, guys. Got him in the underwater camera. What's the one that river to sea? That's that bone, that actually my trout flavor. They love that trout flavor out here, man. Everywhere. It seems like I ain't gotta have a damn trout in the lake. They want some trout. I guess they want them trout nuggets. That's that #2 combo at Mickey D's, baby. Ow. You here, Dolph. Hey. Top Drop, the only one listening to hip hop on the water like that. I'm gonna start listening to country when that new come in. I'm gonna put on country for the country boys too. You know I like that country. That boy from that Dirty M. Hit him with the milk. Cowland. Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh Top Drop. Hey. Let's see how much this bad boy weighs. See what's going on. Little swim bait. Nice little thickum. It's a 363. 365? 365. Jimmy Hugh. Let's get it. Pickerel or are they bass? Pickerel. Little chain pick, guys. We don't want nothing to do with these. Hell. He yanked it up though. It's almost like a double hook set, guys. Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh dink. GoPro highlight. He banged him on the head.